Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy FutureLearn courses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy FutureLearn courses, start by creating an account on the FutureLearn platform. Once your account is set up, log in to access the dashboard. Navigate to the Create a Course option from the main menu. Choose the type of course you want to create, such as online or blended. Enter the course title and a brief description to give an overview. Select the subject area that best matches your course content. Define the target audience for your course. Set the course duration and structure, including weeks and required hours per week. Outline the learning objectives you want to achieve. Begin adding course content, such as videos, articles, and quizzes. Use the available templates to format your content for better engagement. Incorporate interactive elements like discussion prompts or polls to foster community interaction. Preview your course to ensure all elements function as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied, move on to publishing options. Decide whether to offer the course for free or for a fee. Set a start date for the course launch. Review the course settings, including privacy options and enrollment limits. After final checks, publish your course to make it live. Monitor engagement and feedback as learners begin to enroll and participate. Be prepared to update content based on learner interaction and feedback. Promote your course through various channels to reach your target audience effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.